Are you ready for tomorrow's hike?
Almost. I'm packing my backpack.
Did you pack enough water?
Yes, I packed 3 bottles.
Good. Hiking makes us thirsty.
I also packed some juice.
What about snacks?
I packed sandwiches and fruit.
That sounds perfect.
I don't want to feel hungry.
Did you charge your phone?
Yes, it's fully charged now.
Great. We can take photos.
And use the map if needed.
Where are your hiking shoes?
They are near the door.
Are they comfortable?
Yes, they are perfect for walking.
I need to find my hat.
Check the living room table.
Oh yes, here it is.
Don't forget sunscreen too.
Thanks for reminding me.
The weather will be sunny tomorrow.
Should I bring a jacket?
Yes, mornings can feel cold.
I'm really excited now.
Me too. Hiking is always fun.
What time should we leave?
Around 6 in the morning.
That's very early.
We can see the sunrise then.
Good idea. That sounds beautiful.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
Everything is finally ready.
Yes, now we can relax tonight.
Are you ready to leave now?
Yes, I packed everything already.
Let's put the bags in the car.
Okay, I'll bring the water bottles.
Did you lock the front door?
Yes, everything is safe.
Great. Let's start driving.
I'm excited for the hike.
The trail is far from here.
How long is the drive?
About 1 hour from town.
That's not too bad.
I'll use the GPS map.
Good idea. The roads are confusing.
The weather looks perfect today.
Yes, the sky is very clear.
Look at the mountains ahead.
Wow, they look beautiful already.
Do you want music in the car?
Yes, play something relaxing.
This road is very quiet.
I like peaceful drives like this.
We are getting close now.
Really? That was fast.
I can see the trail sign.
Great, we found the place.
Let's park near those trees.
Okay, that spot looks good.
I'm ready for the adventure.
Me too. Let's start hiking.
Is this the right hiking trail?
Yes, the sign points this way.
I'm excited. This is my first hike.
Really, you're doing very well.
Thank you. The fresh air feels amazing.
Yes, hiking is relaxing and healthy.
Look at those mountains. The view is beautiful.
I love the green trees and blue sky.
Did you bring enough water?
Yes, I packed 2 bottles for us.
Great. I was getting thirsty already.
We can stop and rest soon.
Wait, let me take a picture here.
Sure, the background looks perfect.
Smile. This photo will look great.
Thanks. I'll send it to my friends later.
Be careful. The path is slippery here.
Thanks for telling me. I'll walk slowly.
I can hear birds in the trees.
Yes, their songs sound peaceful.
Can you check the map for a moment?
Okay, we are very close to the top.
Really? That's exciting.
Yes, just a few more minutes.
Wow, we finally reached the top.
The view from here is incredible.
I'm happy we came hiking today.
Me too. It was a wonderful adventure.
Wow, this place is beautiful.
Yes, The view is amazing.
Look at the mountains.
They look so tall.
The sky is very blue.
And the clouds look soft.
I love the fresh air.
Me too. It feels relaxing.
Can you hear the birds?
Yes, they sound lovely.
The river looks beautiful.
The water is very clear.
I'm happy we came here.
Me too. This trip is fun.
Let's sit on this rock.
Okay, I need a break.
Are you feeling tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
Look at the trees below.
They are so green.
Nature is peaceful.
Yes, it makes me calm.
Let's take some pictures.
Good idea.
Smile for the camera.
Okay, cheese.
The photo looks great.
Let me see it.
Here it is.
Wow, I love it.
The sunset is starting.
The colors look amazing.
Orange and pink everywhere.
It looks magical.
This is my favorite view.
Mine too.
I will remember this day.
Me too. It was wonderful.
Is your backpack heavy?
Yes, a little heavy.
What did you pack?
Mostly water bottles.
That's a good idea.
Water is very important.
I brought 2 bottles.
I brought 3 bottles.
Wow, that's a lot.
Hiking makes me thirsty.
Mine is already half empty.
You should drink slowly.
The weather is very hot.
Yes, the sun is strong today.
Let's rest under this tree.
Good idea. I feel tired.
Can I have some water?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Cold water feels amazing.
Yes, it feels refreshing.
Did you bring snacks too?
Yes, I packed some fruit.
Great. I'm getting hungry.
We can eat after the hike.
Look at that small waterfall.
It looks beautiful and cool.
I can hear the water.
The sound is relaxing.
Hiking is fun but tiring.
That's why water is important.
You are right about that.
Staying hydrated keeps us healthy.
I'm happy we prepared well.
Me too. This hike is wonderful.
This place looks amazing.
Yes, it's very beautiful.
Let's take some photos.
Great idea.
Can you hold my phone?
Sure, give it to me.
Take a picture near the tree.
Okay, stand over there.
Is this a good pose?
Yes, you look great.
Ready for the photo?
Yes, smile now.
How does it look?
The picture looks perfect.
Let me see it.
Here you go.
Wow, I like this one.
The mountains look beautiful behind you.
Now it's your turn.
Okay, take my picture too.
Stand near the flowers.
Like this?
Yes, that looks nice.
I'm ready now.
Smile for the camera.
Cheese.
Amazing photo.
Really? Let me see.
The sunlight looks perfect.
I love this picture.
Let's take a selfie together.
Good idea.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This selfie looks fun.
We will remember this trip forever.
Yes, these photos are special.
Hiking and photos are the best.
I completely agree with you.
This path looks difficult.
Yes, we should walk carefully.
The rocks are slippery.
Step on the dry ones.
I almost slipped just now.
Hold my hand for balance.
Thanks. I feel safer now.
Take small steps slowly.
This part is very steep.
Yes, don't rush here.
My shoes are not strong.
Be extra careful then.
I'm watching every step.
Good. That's the right way.
The ground is uneven here.
Look where you step.
I see a big rock ahead.
Go around it slowly.
The wind is strong too.
Stay close to me.
I feel a bit nervous.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Thanks for helping me.
You're doing very well.
This hike is challenging.
Yes, but it's fun too.
We need to be very careful.
Safety is more important.
I will focus on my steps.
That's the best idea.
I can see a safer path now.
Yes, let's go that way.
Walking slowly is better.
Yes, and we are safe now.
Do you see that bird?
Yes, it's very colorful.
It is flying so high.
The wings look beautiful.
I hear many bird sounds.
Yes, the forest is alive.
Look, another bird on the tree.
It is small and cute.
I want to take a photo.
Be quiet. Don't scare it.
Okay, I will stay still.
Good. Now take the picture.
Got it. The photo is nice.
Let me see it.
Birds are everywhere here.
Yes, this place is perfect for them.
I like their singing sound.
It makes the forest peaceful.
That bird is eating something.
Maybe fruits from the tree.
Look at its bright feathers.
So beautiful and natural.
I never saw birds like this.
Hiking helps us see nature.
I feel calm watching them.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Let's sit here quietly.
Yes, and enjoy the moment.
I could watch them all day.
Same here. It's wonderful.
Nature is really amazing.
Yes, birds make it special.
Where are we now?
Let me check the map.
Are we on the right path?
Yes, I think so.
I don't see any signs.
The map shows a turn ahead.
Should we go left or right?
We should go left.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm checking carefully.
The signal is weak here.
That's why the map is slow.
I hope we don't get lost.
Don't worry, we are close.
How far is the top?
Maybe 20 minutes more.
That sounds good.
We are on the correct route.
I see a small trail here.
Yes, that matches the map.
Let's follow it slowly.
Good idea. Stay with me.
I trust your navigation.
Thanks. I'm trying my best.
The map is very helpful.
Yes, it guides us well.
I feel more confident now.
Great, we are doing well.
Let's keep checking it.
Yes,
to avoid mistakes.
Hiking is easier with a map.
Absolutely. It keeps us safe.
We are almost there.
Yes, just a little more.
I feel very tired.
Keep going, don't stop.
My legs are shaking.
We are very close now.
I can see the top.
Yes, I see it too.
Finally, we reached it.
Wow, we did it.
The view is incredible.
It's absolutely beautiful.
I feel so happy now.
Me too, it was worth it.
The air is so fresh here.
Yes, it feels amazing.
Let's sit and rest.
Good idea, I need it.
I can see everything below.
The mountains look so small now.
We climbed so high.
Yes, we worked hard.
I'm proud of us.
Me too, great teamwork.
Let's take photos here.
Yes, this moment is special.
Smile for the picture.
Okay, I'm ready.
This is my best memory.
Mine too, it's amazing.
I will never forget this.
Same here, it's perfect.
The hike is finally over.
Yes, we are going home now.
I feel so tired.
Me too. My legs hurt.
But it was a great trip.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
The view was amazing today.
I will never forget it.
I took many photos.
Me too. I love them.
Do you want some water?
Yes, I'm very thirsty.
Here, take my bottle.
Thank you. That helps.
The walk back is easier.
Yes, it's going downhill.
My backpack feels heavy now.
Mine too, but we are close.
I'm happy we didn't give up.
Yes, we did really well.
The fresh air was nice.
It made me feel calm.
I want to come again.
Me too. Maybe next week.
Let's sit here for a moment.
Good idea. Just a short break.
My shoes are full of dust.
Mine too. They need cleaning.
Look at the sunset behind us.
It looks beautiful and peaceful.
This was a perfect hiking day.
Yes, a wonderful experience.
I will sleep well tonight.
Same here. I'm very tired.
Ready to go home now?
Yes, let's start walking.
Thanks for coming with me.
Thank you too. It was fun.